Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet sour tofu. Tofu can be too plain and boring depending on how you cook it, but with this sweet sour soy sauce, it's never boring. Today I'm using deep fried tofu just because it's easier to handle, but you can use extra firm tofu if it's easier for you to find. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this sweet sour tofu, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Deep fried tofu or extra firm tofu, some carrot, 2 green pepper, 1 onion, 5 tablespoons soy sauce, 5 tablespoons vinegar, 5 tablespoons sugar, and 2 tablespoons potato starch or cornstarch. All the cutting first. Let's start with carrot. Make some diagonal slices. Put them face down and slice thinly. Push it aside. Green peppers. Cut them in half. Remove the seeds and pith. And just cut it into bite size. Onion, cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut it into half this way, then into bite size. Deep fried tofu. Let's just cut it into 4. About the sides. Now, I'm going to cook them. Let's cook the tofu first. Tofu is very soft and easy to break down into little pieces, so tofu first, take them out, and then vegetables. Let's put the tofu into the frying pan. Because I'm using deep fried tofu, which is coated with the oil, I'm not adding any oil to the frying pan, but if you're using extra firm tofu, you need some oil. Just cook them over medium-high to high heat until you get nice burn on both sides. Nicely burned on both sides, so let's take them out. Now, vegetables. Let's put about a tablespoon vegetable oil into the frying pan. All the vegetables in. Just cook it until everything is wilted. Vegetables look good, so let's take them out too. Put 5 tablespoons of water into the frying pan, 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 5 tablespoons of vinegar, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons potato starch, and mix it well with the heat off. so that there is no lumpy starch in the frying pan. Then turn the heat on and cook it over medium heat as you constantly mix it until the sauce is clear, thick and glossy. When it looks like this, like a caramel, turn the heat off and put everything back into the frying pan. And give it a nice mix so everything is coated with the sauce. Serve in the bowl. And sweet sour tofu is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The thick and sweet sour soy sauce stays well on the tofu and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Sweet sour tofu is the main dish, so it goes here. Plain rice here and vegetable miso soup here. For one of the side dishes, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. For the other side dish, I want to have something with texture, so how about cucumber salad? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!